This is Mike Ludes at Capital Porsche in Tallahassee, Florida, and I'm going to show you today how to reset your PCM. Evidently there's an issue that's come up this week with information that was sent from SiriusXM, and Porsche is working on a solution, but at this time there's one quick solution, which is simply to reset PCM. So follow along with me here. What you'll do is press and hold the info button for about 10 seconds, and that should do a PCM reboot. Now we wait. Now they just want you to start with a clean wake up, I guess, and then you're going to go and reset PCM altogether. So once this starts up, I'm going to select car, option, set PCM, reset PCM, vehicle handover, and yes for sure. Supposedly that's going to fix it. So we're hoping that this is just a one-time thing, that SiriusXM has figured out what happened and has corrected it from their end. But for right now, that's what you're going to have to do. Now, unfortunately, that does mean that all of your radio presets are going to be gone. All of your navigation history is going to be gone, and your phone, of course, will be gone. So you do have to restart some things there. I'd recommend taking pictures of your screen before you do this so that you can more easily get back to your preferred radio presets. But that's how you fix it. Hope this helps. Thank you.